Tell us about yourself, please.
My name is Adriana. I'm here to tell you about vocabularies of my kitchen.
Great. So you are going to show and tell about your kitchen. But first tell us, how important is the kitchen to you?
In my home, the kitchen is the most important room.
Great. How should the kitchen look like?
It should be clean.
All right. What do we do in the kitchen?
We cook.
Okay, make a full sentence. In the kitchen, we can cook. All right, so let's continue. How do you help in the kitchen? How do you help your mom in the kitchen?
For help my mom, I chop onions and potatoes.
Great. To help your mom, you chop onions and potatoes. Now, show and tell us about your kitchen. Yeah.
These are plates.
Okay, these are plates, yeah.
These are pots.
These are cups.
These are bowls.
Bowls. Great, great.
This is spoon and fork. This is a spatula.
Spatula, yeah.
This is a knife. This is a
ladle.
Is a ladle.
No, this is a strainer.
Strainer.
Great. Tell us about here, this side here.
This is a kitchen.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
Sink.
Okay, this is the kitchen sink. Okay.
These are cups.
We didn't finish. Yeah. What about this one here?
This is a kettle.
Kettle.
This is a mixer. It's a blender.
Blender. All right. How about this one here?
This grater.
Grater. It's a grater. Great. We have something else here. The black one.
Yes,
What is it?
This is a microwave.
Microwave. Great. And we've got
This is
some water. Yeah. A water bottle.
This is cleaver.
Okay.
And cups.
Okay. This other one over there at the corner is a chopping board.
It's
Yeah.
a chopping board.
Not a cleaver. And we have some food. Medicines. Great.
Some food.
Great.
We go here.
Now right here first. What do we see here?
This.
The whole thing here.
This.
Okay, so this is a refrigerator, and this side here looks much more colder. How do we call it?
Freezer.
Freezer. Great. Now you can close it. Tell us a bit more about the other side.
This is a washing machine.
A washing machine. Great. How about this one here?
It's gas.
Ah,
It's gas.
it's a gas bottle. Gas bottle. Yeah.
This is pot.
This pot. Yeah.
How do you
Hold on. If we're not done yet, this one here, the whole thing here. It's called what? As the place where you cook. It's called what? The whole thing is here. It's the stove.
It's a stove.
And here, where you can bake some cakes, or you say chicken, right? What do we call it?
Huh?
What do we call this?
Oven.
It's an oven, yeah. But look, there's inside the oven, there's something. This thing here, this one. What do you call it? It's called a tray.
It's tray.
Okay, good. What else do we have in your kitchen?
This how do you see? It's a broom.
It's a broom. Okay.
A
Trash.
trash can.
Okay.
These are onions.
Great. Onions, and what else do you have?
Onions and ice.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah.
Water.
Look, do you know how do we call this one too? This is also a spatula.
A spatula.
Yeah. Okay.
A broom.
Fine. So yeah, we done with the video. So where do you eat after cooking the food? Where do you eat?
And we eat in the
Which room do we eat? Dining room. But I see here that you have a table, like a kitchen table with some chairs. Is this the dining room? But this is just to rest. So where is your dining room?
My dining room is here.
Okay, great.